I only play Johnny because he's attractive. I don't know if
Johnny
he
is
uses
kind of
ability
hottie, isn't
very
he?
well. He has a nice dump truck in the back, and when you're playing as him, that's all I stare at.
Oh no, I've never seen Johnny's thick ass. I don't know, Sissy kind of looks stupid. Ugly ass dress. Man, she got little piggies out and everything.
Her piggies are dirty as hell.
No, for real. You gotta shave your damn legs too. Jesus, bro. Wash your
Oh,
damn
fucking hillbilly,
legs.
what do you expect?
That's why she's so damn ugly.
Bathe?
I ain't tapping that. Nah.
Oh my god. Ugh.
Oh, maybe not. She kind of bad actually. Not too bad. Oh, look at his muscles. Oh, you got a
She's gonna get
skid for
that
Booba?
their face. You know to turn on, like, if you're
I know
by
how
a
to turn. I
gate,
gotta turn on the generator and stuff.
Okay, at least you know that. A lot of people just run away from it.
I gotta figure it out.
What the?
It's how Sissy's laughing. Okay. Can I? How do I sprint? Oh shit, that's attack. Fuck, where's the generator? Oh, it's gotta be near me somewhere.
We're going against a party of survivors. It kind of makes me nervous.
How do you check that? Oh, are we
Like,
checking?
it should.
Yeah, I see.
Oh,
Oh, it's only 3, so it should be okay.
they could be clueless like us.
Maybe. I'm turning on the battery.
Oh, you're out here.
Yeah,
No.
I'm not Bubba. Bubba is
I know,
the.
but there's like multiple exits, so I thought.
Can I not sprint? Could have sworn I saw her
Yep.
sprinting.
L1
Is it open? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, I got poison full. Let's go, baby. I got stamina too, so I gotta kind of preserve it. Let me see.
Make
There
sure
should
you
be
lock the
anything
doors
else.
behind you.
I think I'm done out here. All I had to do was turn on the battery. Alright.
Probably have to go to the other fucking exit. Wasted all this time, and I went to the one that you were at.
Okay, I gotta lock this door. Oh shit. I just opened it.
How away can go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What does that mean? I'm just kidding.
What? Oh, fuck. I didn't. Is this.
Oh, I can go through here.
When are we going?
Okay, how do I attack? Okay. Oh shit. I just fell down a hole.
What do you mean you just fell down a hole?
Like one of these ramps. I really gotta learn these maps, bro. Okay, I got about 50 blood. Let's find Grandpa. I'm in. Oh, they're down below. They're down below. By me. Meat. The meat inspection area. They just shut a big old door.
The. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what that means, but.
I'll get there. I'll get there. I'll pretend I'll know where that is. I still don't know the map.
Every time. I hear Bubba. Let me latch this real quick.
You
I
okay?
gotta. There we go. Doors latched. Okay. Am I down in the basement yet? No, no. I'm in like the dumbest fucking spot. I'm in the drainage. Why am I even in here? I haven't got out of this building yet, dude. Can't go there? That's bullshit.
I got Julie. What was on her?
Unlock and open. She's just moan, dude. Yeah, slam that shit, baby. Okay. Damn it. Okay, I got a lot of blood. I know where Grandpa is in this map. I watched a lot of videos. Oh. I hear what's his face. He's right below me. Booba.
Where the fuck are you?
I'm right here.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, why are we all three up here? This is not
I
good.
don't know.
This is not good. What's going on here? Where's the survivors?
They're probably already out. I don't know. It was on Julie, and then Bubba came over, and that was it.
Just like
Oh,
interrupted me. Oh,
I
level
found
2.
somebody.
Level
Oh,
2.
they're all by this door. They're all by this door.
I don't know where this door is, Olivia. You got. Oh, I see them. Oh, I see them. Holy shit! Holy shit! It's like a party over here. They're escaping.
Exactly.
Okay, Sissy. Oh, damn. Sissy got a dump truck, bro.
Oh, Leland just fucking shoved him to the ground.
What an asswipe, dude. Holy shit.
Oh no. Uncalled for. They're all. You guys are
Get him,
like, late
Bubba.
to the party, dude. I don't know where he's going. They're all in the barn.
Oh, that's you. Okay, I was chasing you the whole time. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm out of stamina. I'm just fucking running with no stamina.
They're-
Sissy, what the hell are you waiting on? How'd they get out?
I don't know. I don't know where they went.
Someone gotta feed Grandpa again because I'm lost. Oh, shit. Found someone. Hey, bitch. I can get through there. Hey, come on. Wake up. Hello. Holding pen. No one can hear me besides you.
Okay.
Where that noise is. Where the chicken clucker.
Yeah.
Go get him, Johnny.
You're
Think she
supposed
went-
to like be.
I think she went this
You're
way.
supposed to be like trapping her.
Oh, I'm collecting blood. Sorry.
Running
Mid-match.
towards Grandpa.
Oh shit, that's not good. She's gonna stab Grandpa. He's in danger. That's not the lady I was on.
Yeah, it was.
Is it?
Here, I'm gonna stop and feed Grandpa.
I see her.
Oh,
I see her.
Bubba's got her.
Oh yeah, Bubba. Get her, Bubba. Oh, she went down the well. Okay, I need to go back to where I originally was. I have 50 blood. Let me go back to Grandpa and feed his ass. Damn, dude, Johnny, you got some big ass feet. I can hear that shit from a mile away.
They're back at this door. There's Leland's right here.
Hey, Bubba, I'm gonna just here and feed Grandpa while you're.
Leland's running towards Grandpa.
Grandpa's not hungry. Grandpa, my ass ain't hungry. Oh, I see him. I see Leland. I'm coming
Get him.
straight for your ass. Come here, Leland. You got him? Shit, I'm getting stuck on everything.
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah.
Go back to the door behind me. Like,
I'm going. I know what you're talking about. I think that's the way that. Oh, I'm out of the thingy again. Hold on, I'm gonna collect some blood.
I got Grandpa.
Can you shut up, sissy? Stop singing. Okay. Do you see anyone? I don't see anyone down below. No one up top. I'm gonna go down below. Wait, can I lock
Why are
this?
you gonna go?
Oh wait,
No, don't go down
it's
below.
locked. That's stupid. I'm not gonna lock it. Grandpa's hungry again. I got him. I got this.
Grandpa's fucking
Fat bitch.
dude. I just fed.
God, how much can you eat, dude?
I don't know where they fucking are.
Here, Grandpa, eat.
That's good, ain't it? There.
I gotta start using my poison. I don't know how to do it though. What do I do?
You just spray
I
it
see.
on me.
I see the R1. Dude, he's almost level 5. Level 5's insane.
Right. I don't know where they are. This is making me concerned.
Yeah, there might be a little bit of everywhere. Oh, you scared the fuck out of
That's
me.
me.
Fucking elephant feet.
Jesus.
What if I want this one? Bucket empty? Man, mom.
Where the fuck is Bubba? Why is his door wide open?
Bubba's doing the only thing on the team. We're just kind of chilling, walking around.
What?
Oh shit! I found someone
Where,
up top.
where?
She's up top. She's making all this noise, and I did some fucky wucky. She grabbed some health. Get over here, girl! Hey, quit healing. That's not cool.
Oh, you got it? You got it?
No. Not, I don't have her. She's running right towards you, Johnny. Yep. There she goes. I'm gonna catch her off guard. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay.
Hey, baby girl, where you going?
This is pointless, you know.
Yeah, this is pointless, you know.
Get her! Crawl after her.
I am.
no.
Oh, I can only go so fast, Olivia. Shit, Bubba's on top.
What the hell are you doing, Sissy? No. You guys got her.
I think she went down this ladder. I think I'm wrong.
Are they just hiding? Like, I genuinely don't understand.
I don't know, but I'm gonna go back up this ladder because I don't want to be down here in this basement.
I can't find any footprints.
Oh, wait.
They're
I see
coming
you.
after me.
Damn it. You look like a survivor.
So do
Victim.
you.
Drink this.
Oh, there's one.
I don't know where this is. Where's that?
Out in
Where?
this
Where?
yard. Out in this yard.
Okay. Sorry, I was being Grandpa.
I just saw her.
Damn. Where'd he go? Where are you?
I don't know how to describe it. Can't you just hear me stomping?
No? I was being Grandpa. I
Literally?
saw you run, but then I went that way that you ran and you ain't there.
She was over here in this corner, but I don't know where she went.
Look out on this. Oh, I hear
There
someone.
she is.
Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh shit, you're on the other side of the wall.
Get her! Get her! Get her!
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I gotta walk all the way around. I'm lazy.
Oh,
Oh.
I killed her. We're good.
Nice. Yeah. Bitch. Oh yeah. Okay. We got 2 left. Grandpa's almost to level 5. Okay,
I got blood. I
Olivia.
got 81
Yes,
out of
yeah.
86 drops.
Okay, that should be enough to get him level 5. So then they're seeing all the time, dude. That's crazy, isn't it? Oh, I can collect blood. Finally. Okay, I want to try using. Oh.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Where y'all hiding now? Oh, I see
Oh,
someone.
shit.
Oh shit, he's hiding. Let's go after him.
Whoever that is. Sunny?
This door's wide ass open. Okay, Grandpa, scream again, please. That'd be great. Grandpa's hungry? He's literally maxed. I don't want to hear that he's hungry.
Is that a survivor? Dude, a survivor's... Somebody's by the exit.
Okay, that's still locked.
Anna is by me. Crawling around.
Oh,
She's
he's
gonna
down
stab
below.
Grandpa.
I got someone near me. I think you went down below to the well.
Open the door, you dumb bitch.
I'm gonna just collect some blood. Okay, let me find this little kid. Oh, I see him. I see someone right outside my thingy. What the fuck? How do I get out of this building? Oh, here we go. Hey girl.
I am like laying into this bitch and she is not dying.
Come here, girl!
You got her?
No, I'm almost there. Where do you think you're going, little sissy? Fuck.
If Bubba would be fucking useful.
That'd be phenomenal.
Oh my god, he missed her.
That's what I heard from her. How stupid are you, bro? I'm silly. I'm stupid. I'm silly. Hey, girl, you think I'm
She
stupid?
has to be bleeding out soon, dude. He's getting annoying.
I can hear her. Where do you think you're going, baby? Huh? You gonna heal? Yeah, heal where? I'm stuck. Step, bro. Huh? That's real smart of you now, isn't it? Yeah. I just killed her. Yeah. Execute. Oh, yes. Let's go. I'm too good, Olivia.
I'm glad you got her finally.
Yeah, I was chasing her for like a half hour, dude. It was really crazy.
Don't worry, I got the rest.
Let's go, guys. We're just too
Other
good.
bitches that do shit. so sad watching them try to chase that one person. He's so mistake.
No, you should have seen my chase. It was really bad. She tried hiding in a locker. Silly goose. That's not where you go. This ain't DBD. Look, I got the most points out of everyone on our team. Look at this booba. Literally dog water.
Okay, but I killed more than you.
Look,
I don't even know what you were doing.
collecting blood.
Congratulations. Yeah, we're gonna be fucked.
Olivia, we're not gonna get fucked with that attitude, okay? We got this. We're gonna win.
Okay.
Maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, our team doesn't look very intimidating.
No, it doesn't.
Literally nothing.
Their team looks more intimidating than ours. Now we're gonna lose because I said something.
Yeah.
Now they're gonna
They're all gonna
sweat.
get away. They're all gonna get away.
Okay, so this map's kind of small, so that's kind of nice to know. Kill Anna first. Yeah. Who's this? Janice? Oh, I bet this is the teammate. Oh, okay.
Armadillo.
There you go. There you go, Olivia.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that cake. Woo! I'm gonna have to tap.
Oh, he's got a necktie on.
I saw that. I was gonna say something. He's classy, Bubba, today.
Has he always had a necktie?
I've never noticed.
Well, everyone's always still like wearing the grandma outfit.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, I get to turn on the battery, fucker.
I get
Screw
the
you.
generator, I think.
Yeah, I think it's already turned on now.
Yeah, I'm gonna check real quick if I can find it. Okay, that's not where I go. I see you. Oh, that's not good, actually, if I see you.
Go somewhere else. Stop looking at me.
I literally am, Olivia. Okay, let me find this cord real quick to the generator. It might be at the end of the gate. Sometimes it is.
Wait, no. The generator's already on. It's either by the barn or by the fence.
Yeah, I'm going towards the fence right now. Oh, shit. Damn.
Whoa!
Oh, okay,
Okay,
Bubba
Bubba.
put in work, bro. Is that Anna? Anna?
No.
That was Anna.
Slay.
That was Anna.
That was
Wasn't it? Yeah, that was Anna.
It was. Slay!
Slay, sister.
Yes.
Okay, generator is over here.
Yeah.
Okay. I hear it. I hear it. Watch me be on the wrong side now. Yeah. Yep, it's on. Okay, let me poison this too. I completely fucking missed.
It's great. Oh, fuck, there he is.
Let me go back. I'm gonna go inside the house actually. Cause they should be coming out of the house. You got the back end?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sure.
Alright. We're gonna roll with that.
Let's feed his Gramps.
Unlock and open. Let me make sure I lock it back up when I
Not
enter
very
the
good at patrolling.
close.
Where
What the fuck? Am I too fat? Jesus. Okay. There should be blood in here somewhere. Let me turn off this light real quick. It's too bright. Burning my eyeballs. Okay, yeah, because I'm just that fucking fat. Yeah, totally,
Did
dude.
you just make that noise?
Yeah. That's,
Oh,
yeah. I
God.
tried avoiding it too, but apparently my dump truck of an ass is just in the way.
No.
What?
I think they're outside.
Are they? Oh shit, there's a door open. Uh-oh.
No, just kidding.
Okay, you kidding? Are you being for real?
No. I don't know if this was always open or not.
I found the ladder. but I don't know if that's gonna be a huge issue.
A ladder?
Yeah, they can go up the ladder too and get out of the basement that way.
Oh yeah.
I feel like it's the easiest way, honestly. Dude, I swear to God,
Oh
can I
shit,
kill this?
they're all here. What the hell?
Where are you at?
They're all in the backyard.
I'm coming. Oh,
Oh, dude.
I
that
found
noise,
Leland.
It's them. It's literally all of them.
He just stabbed me.
Die, you bastard!
Okay, yeah, this is the team. That's right. I'm sorry.
Yeah, get the fuck out.
I can't. I can't.
Get him, Peppa. That's fucking me, you dumbass.
I don't know where they went.
Fucking
I lost
swinging
them.
At me. Where'd Julie go? Fucking.
What the fuck?
Julie.
Okay.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Julie. Oh, there you are.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I'm gonna follow you.
Back. I'm in.
Shit, I'm just going back inside the
literally
house.
going
Oh, found her.
Where everyone else is. Yeah. Get her. Get her.
Take it.
No. No.
You
Oh,
fucking
fuck.
bitch. Okay, yeah, like that. Oh, that's you. Okay, that's you. I'm gonna lock this door and latch it too. There's no door. Never mind, I lied.
Alright, I'm gonna go feed Gramps.
Oh yeah, I have plenty of blood too for feeding Gramps.
Grandpa, you're literally hungry every 3 seconds. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna walk away. There we go.
Okay, that's Booba. I'm gonna check out here again in case it came up here for whatever reason.
Okay, both. I think the front doors are locked.
I should probably go to the front door actually.
They're fine. They're locked still.
Okay. They're still down below. They just opened a big loud thingy. That's you.
Oh Jesus! Hi.
Hey. Let me collect. I need to feed Grandpa. I have 116 out of 121 blood. So let me get his Grandpa.
For always is always forever.
Where the fuck is Grandpa? Oh wait, I'm on the wrong side of the house. That's why.
In the dining room.
Yeah.
In the dining room.
Where he usually is.
For your father. All is one,
Okay, that's level 2, possibly level 3, but I doubt it.
none is one.
I swear to God, if this leads into the fucking.
Okay, level 3. Okay. Sometime. Oh yeah, Grandpa. That was a long ass scream. Grandpa's hungry? I just fed his ass.
Yeah, Grumpy's fucking needy, dude.
Yeah. Sure seems that way. Okay, no one's in this
The fuck
grass.
are these assholes? I literally walked into the room and they were all crouched there and Leland fucking pummeled me.
And then Leland stabbed my ass. Like, dude, he was ready to, like, get everyone. Okay, this fucking chicken is making the most damn noise out of everyone here. Okay, I don't think they're coming out of the basement no more.
Yeah, I think they're just fucking chilling.
Okay, what's that mean? That's what it means.
Grandpa's screaming.
No, I know what that means. Okay. Lock the door behind me. And you get to this generator.
Any footprints?
Generator is still on. Let's go.
Yeah, both.
I was just making sure.
Okay. I think both fuses are still in the wall too, so I don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Yeah, because those are both upstairs, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Not a time. They can't just hide forever. They're gonna die regardless.
Okay, I should probably get some more blood.
She's right there! Bubba, get her!
Where? Inside the house?
No, they're going out to the backyard again.
Backyardigans?
Yeah, shut the fuck up. Oh, they're literally all there.
Oh shit, they're this way. Okay, I was looking the wrong way. They're inside the house. Okay, I don't want to unlock this door, but I'm going to so I can get in.
Okay, but you're gonna lock it again, right?
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm poisoning the fuse because there's a fuse downstairs they can grab.
That's you. Making all the fucking noise with the bones.
Oh, someone's in the house. I think Bubba got him. He's following him. Bubba, you can't fit, you fat fuck.
You got him, you got him, you got him. Oh,
No.
back down the well.
God, you fucking vaginas.
They're gonna bleed out if they keep doing that.
Oh yeah. But they must have like infinite
Oh my
health.
god, I want to feed Grandpa too. Damn, everyone's always feeding Grandpa.
It's just Bubba, because I fed him once. Okay,
Beat him on the head.
I'm gonna lock and open, but then close. It's
Why do you
same.
keep going out the door?
Because I have nowhere else to go, Olivia.
No, you gotta stay inside the house.
Why?
Because they're inside the house. They've never made it outside. Why don't you go to the basement and chase them out?
Because I get locked in the basement. Not locked, lost.
God damn it! I want to feed Grandpa.
Dude, they're nowhere.
They're still in the fucking basement.
Jesus.
Okay, but they're gonna die eventually.
Oh, he found someone.
Nice, nice. You got Leland.
I don't know where he's at though. Maybe downstairs.
Yeah, they're all downstairs still.
Still? Okay. I'm gonna head downstairs
I
then.
saw Julie downstairs. I'll stay upstairs.
I'm gonna head down there then. Oh yeah, I killed him right here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna keep this door open. I'm gonna close it actually. It's gonna regret it 'cause I'm gonna get lost. But I'm gonna. Where you at, kids? Dude, they're staying as still as a fucking rock in the water. That made no sense.
Interesting metaphor.
Yeah. I don't even know what a metaphor is.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Where you at? Where you at? Show me. Oh, I see him. I'm right here too. Yeah, y'all fucked. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. Okay, show me again. Let me slow down. I see them. Oh yeah, boys. Oh shit, that's wrong. That's wrong. Win this, win this, win this, win this. Oh, I won it. Did I win it? I did win it. I lost it. Fuck. Stupid head. Okay.
I'm with them.
I see them. I see them. I see them. I'm going. I'm
after
going.
Connie.
She's opening something. I'm out of stamina already because I'm stupid. Okay, I'm gonna head this way. Bubba, you gotta destroy this, bro.
I'm being fucking beat up.
Okay, I can't go over this. So that's bullshit. Go, 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 Bubba. Yeah, stupid ass. Okay, she's dead. We got one dead.
I got the other one.
Let's go, dude.
That was a good last game.
That was a good last game.
Nice. We all got a kill.
I did not.
Yeah, we're probably fucked.
Olivia, we're not gonna get fucked with that attitude, okay? We got this. We're gonna win.
Oh, you need help.
I think Bubba got
I mean,
two.
that still counts. You got 3. But the other person didn't even. I think they were AFK, obviously.
Yeah, so Bubba got a free kill. And then he killed Leland as well. Yeah.
Very good.
4 big guys, and they grab on my thighs, blow up my guts like the 4th of July. If they keep fucking my butt, then I might just cry. Pooping semen spraying on my eyes. He lick my dick and the cum start spraying. Charging up my dick, I'ma go super saiyan. When it comes to fucking booty, I don't do much playing. I whispered in his ear like, hey, are you staying? He said, yeah, I'm not leaving. I guess he George Floyd, cause I always leave him not breathing.